Let's click Basic Firewall. Check this box to enable the basic firewall protection, enable pingback protection, block access to debug.log file, and click Save Basic Firewall Settings button. Move on to Additional Firewall Rules. Check all these boxes and click Save Additional Firewall Settings. If you wonder what these things do, then let me explain one by one. If someone tries to view or edit your directory of WordPress instead of viewing your website, then this will block that things. And if someone tries to post comment with a proxy IP address, then this will disable those proxies. You may get some bad queries in your URLs, and if you click or enable this option, then those bad query strings won't be allowed. And this one blocks advanced character string filter. If you want to read more about these things, you may click More Info button. Once you have checked all these boxes, click Save Additional Firewall Settings. Double check whether you have got 15 out of 15, 10 out of 10 and 5 out of 5. Let's move to 5G Blacklist Firewall Rules. Enable 5G Firewall Protection and click Save 5G Firewall Settings. By default, this plugin displays what this particular 5G firewall protection do. That's why the 20/20 score hasn't got updated. Click Save 5G Firewall Settings button again. Now we have got 20 out of 20 score. Let's move on to internet bots. Sometimes fake Google bots may be generating lots of traffic posing as Google spiders. So to block those fake Google bots, check this box and click Save Internet Bot Settings. Now you may wonder, there are so many loops inside WordPress like security loops, but a normal WordPress user, that is a WordPress administrator who is getting a minimum or normal amount of traffic such as 1000 visitors per day, may not get affected by all of these security issues. But when your website gets more visibility in front of your customers, or when your website gets lots of traffic, then you must take care of these security loops or holes. Let's move on to prevent hotlinks. This is the most important checkbox you should check. As an e-commerce site, you may be displaying lots of images and people may just copy paste your images into their website, and whenever visitors visit the third-party website, images will be loaded from your server. Then your bandwidth will be wasted in someone other's website. So check this box to prevent hot linking. Click Save Settings. Move to 404 detection. Whenever someone comes to 404 not found pages, their IP will be detected and logged out. Check this box and click Save Settings. Their IPs will be stored here so that you can just see or audit those IPs. Now move on to custom rules. If you want to edit your htaccess file, then you may check this box and paste your custom rules here. But by default, whatever security you want to enter into htaccess file will be entered by this WP Security plugin. So don't try to mess with these settings. Better leave it as it is. Now let's move on to dashboard and let's check our score. Our score has got increased from a mere 20 to 195. The only thing that we lack is file permission. We have got other things such as PHP WP file access. This is the only thing that I couldn't set recommended permissions.